second video, or whatever the next part. I'm gonna give it a detail. I'm gonna fix it up a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys how much I bought it for and how much I sold it for, so you guys can learn that the money is everywhere. Smell. Dirty as hell. What's up, free money team? Shout out to everybody supporting, everybody liking, commenting, subscribing. You feel me? Keep doing what it do. I appreciate it. Check out the merch. You feel me? We got all types of colors. You feel me? From the orange to the purple to the white to the black to the blues. You feel me? To the neon. So we got it all. Thank you again. Okay. The reason for this video, as you guys saw in the last video, we hit a little jackpot on the auction. You feel me? We got a little car, so. Luckily it turned on the first go. Usually most cars in the auction don't turn on, or you feel me, dead batteries, or they got something wrong with them. But that one magnificently and surprisingly turned on. So I drove it straight back to the shop, you feel me? So it's right here. I gave it a little clean. If you want to go ahead, you feel me? I gave it a little, we're gonna check it out. Let me see. You feel me? You guys saw I'm gonna show you guys the before, and you guys gonna see that after. It's a little cleaner. Look at the carpets. You feel me? I'm still washing them. Got the back. Feel me? You got it super clean. Top and bottom. Shimmy on me. Alright. So you guys gonna see a little before, a little after. You guys gonna see the progress of me working on the car. You guys gonna see what it takes, you feel me, to flip the car. You feel me? You might have to invest a little bit of money, but you always got to spend money to make money. You feel me? That's the #1 rule in the business game. You got to spend money to make money. Feel me? If you're scared to invest a little bit, you're not gonna win in this business. You feel me? So let me show y'all a little bit of what I got. I got the air filters. I got the oil filter. I got the spark plugs. I also got this. I like to put this in the gas tank. You fill up the tank and then you put this, and it just cleans up the injector, and does a lot. To be honest, you could even smell it cleaning the motor, so it's real worth it.
So we're gonna get to it, Machine.
Oh, I also got a motor. I also got the big ass quart of motherfucking gas. Stay tuned for the next video. Shout out Free Money Team.